Good morning! Happy Saturday! Ay, hapon na pala. Hapon na guys. Hapon na. Umalis si Dan kanina. Nag-golf sila ni Mark. Iniwan niya ako. Tingnan niyo yung bahay. Ang gulo-gulo. Kasi ang gulo ng bahay. Kasi kagabi nanood kami ng movie. Nanood kami ng 2 movies na Dan. And then, yung TV show din. So, ang tagal namin natulog. Natapos ko na naman siya. Tinulungan ako ni Mark. Kapatid ko. Kasi kami lahat, marunong kami nito noon. Tapos, nakakalimutan mo kasi pattern siya. So, tinulungan niya ako. Tapos yun, nakompleto ko. Magligpit-ligpit lang tayo, guys. Para pagdating ni Dan, maayos na yung bahay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll...
Hello! Nakatapos ako maglinis. Kakain ako, guys. Tumawag si Dan kanina. Sabi niya, darating daw siya in 20 minutes. So, maya-maya, nandito na yun. Kainin ko yung leftover natin kagabi. Meron pa akong rice. So, hindi ko na kailangan magluto ng rice. Ang ganda ng pa-take away container nila. Tingnan niyo. Ang laki pa. I wanna keep this. Ano siya? Ito yung pork bone soup. Yes. As in, ano lang talaga yung nakain ko dito? Isang kutsarang sabaw at saka sobrang konting laman kasi ang dami nung in-order namin kagabi. Tapos ang dami kasi ng serving nila. In fairness ha, masarap dun. Tapos mura lang compared sa dun sa Mr. Bulgogi na pinupuntahan namin ni Dan, na Korean din. Yan. Initin lang natin. Initan ko siya sa apoy talaga para mas yummy. Agoy, kakalinis ko lang dito. Sana naman wag kang tumalsik-talsik because I just cleaned. Dito tayo. Bumakas yung sa ilalim ng takeaway container. Let's heat you up and then let's eat you up. Ang bango ng bahay. Nag-light ako nung Palm Beach na sea salt. Agoy. Kakapatay ko lang sa kanya kasi dapat 3 hours lang siya nakasindi. I think nakasindi siya ng mga 1 oras. Pero malapit na siya maubos. Oh, less than halfway na ako. Dito na ako. Mabango. Ito na yung ulam natin, guys. Na pa siya, natapon siya. Sobrang punong-puno siya kanina. Kinuha na ni Dan. Wait, makaubad si Dan eh. Kinuha niya yung isa. Sobrang lambot. As in, sobrang lambot talaga niya. Masarap siya, in fairness. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo, babe. Guys, gabi na. 5:30 na ng hapon, gabi. Mag-ano kami ni Dan, pupunta kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Tapos, pupunta kami sa Adelaide show. Biglaan. As in, ngayon lang talaga namin naisipan na pumunta dun. Kasi hindi sana kami pupunta dun eh. Pero pupunta na lang kami. Tingnan natin. Last year, we didn't go. Why didn't we go last year?
Didn't want to go?
But we're here.
Wouldn't
Last year, hindi kasi kami pumunta. Pumunta kami the year before. Kasi parang yun niya ata yung... The year before, was that my first Adelaide show? Or no?
Don't know.
Basta, dinala niya ako once. Have I been once only?
Yeah.
Yeah, parang 1 beses lang ata. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, wala naman talaga sana kaming plano pumunta. Kaya lang wala kaming ginawa eh. Like, pagdating ni Dan galing golf, wala na, tapos na ako maglinis. And nag-chill-chill lang kami. Like, nasa shower ako ng sobrang tagal kasi inano ko lang talaga siya. Finil ko lang talaga na wala akong gagawin after. Tapos nag-chill lang kami ni Dan. I'm doing laundry. This is my 3rd load right now. Malapit na tumatapos. Inano ko lang siya. Binalik ko lang siya ng speed na wash. 14 minutes yung speed. Konti lang kasi to. So, 2 speed ko siya gagawin. You look good, my love. Ito yung aking pa-outfit. I'm wearing another turtleneck na top. Pero hindi to same nung last week. Ito yung heat-tech. So, mas ano to, mas cold to compared noon. So, wala ako. I have nothing underneath. Isang layer lang. Pero magko-coat ako. I'm wearing these jeans from H&M. And magko-converse lang ako, guys. Kunin ko lang yung coat ko. May 2 options tayo. Ito, ang ganda nito. Gusto ko to. Sabi nila, huwag magsuot ng brown at saka black. Pero I actually really like the combination of brown and black. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw ng iba. Parang fashion mistake daw yung brown at saka black. Ang ganda kaya ng combination. Diba? Ako lang ba? Or... Anyway. Ito or ito. Pareho silang ano eh. Pareho silang warm. Kain muna kami. I feel like Vietnamese food. So, nakapag-book na si Dan sa restaurant. Vietnamese restaurant. Wala lang siyang pockets. Yung nasa lips ko pala is Maybelline Matte Ink na naman. Yung shade is Pioneer. Yung very red talaga. Yung sa brows ko, hindi ko nilagyan yung dito. Yung sa outer part lang. Dito lang. May nabasa akong comment sa video na sobrang gusto-gusto daw nila magustuhan yung matte ink. Kasi nga, gustong-gusto ko siya. Kaya lang nagda-dry sa lips nila. Kahit daw i-moisturize niya yung lips niya. Hindi ko alam. Kasi siguro depende lang talaga. Kasi sa akin, hindi naman. Okay na okay naman yung sa akin. Pero ako, naglalagay talaga ako ng lip balm or yung lip therapy ko for Vaseline every night. As in, every night talaga. Part na siya ng skincare routine ko. Nasa bedside table ko na siya. Siya talaga ginagamit ko lagi. So, I keep my lips moisturized. Minsan lang nagka-crack siya or nagda-dry siya kapag nagta-travel kami. Tapos nakakalimutan ko yung lip therapy ko. Doon siya parang nagka-crack. Sasakay daw kami ng rides ni Dan. Yan yung susuotin ko kasi mas warm. Balik natin to. Ang red ng mukha natin. Look at our faces, my love. So red. Naka-break kasi lahat ng sasakyan. So, ang daming red. Mali pala ako kanina. Sabi ko mag-Vietnamese restaurant kami. Sabi ni Dan, day na kasi pupunta tayo sa show. Doon na lang tayo kakain kasi may mga pagkain naman sila doon. So, diretso na pala kami sa show, guys. Adelaide show, can you explain what it is, babe? What is Adelaide show?
Just rides and show bags.
That's it. Is it gonna be busy, you think?
Very busy.
Today?
Yeah, very busy.
Sabi niya, very busy daw. Ayan, wala nang mga green. I mean, red kasi go na. Yung sikat lang naman talaga sa Adelaide show, well, para sa akin, is yung mga show bags. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga show bags na sinasabi ko. Are you gonna get a show bag, my love?
Yeah.
What show bag?
I know. Have a look.
Dito na kami, guys. Cross daw, sabi ni Dan. Dito na tayo. Adelaide show. May naririnig na akong nagsisigawan. Oh my gosh, we did. Which ride did we do last time?
I know.
Ah, grabe yung ride na yun. I'm not doing that again.
I'm not doing anything scary.
Yeah.
Too old for that. Too old. We're doing that one.
Oh, that's
Ferris
cute.
wheel.
I want that one. Yung pabalo ni ano, oh. Yan. Yeah, Ferris wheel na lang tayo. Ang bagal naman ang Ferris wheel nyo dito, eh. Ferris wheel sa Pilipinas, di ba gumaganon-ganon? Tingnan nyo yung sa kanila. Ang bagal na Ferris wheel nila. Ang dami naman tao dito. Ay, nakakahiya mag-vlog. Pero kumain na kami, guys. Nagsalsas ako, nachos, tapos si Dan hotdog. How was your hotdog, my love?
That was okay. Was alright.
Tinitingnan tayo ng mga tao, babe. Where are we going next? Nandito kami sa pet center. So, yung mga nandito is yung mga pets. Mga pets na mga nandito is mga snake lang naman. Doon, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagbalik natin. Are we gonna exit that way again?
I just want to check out the fish.
Oh, fish.
This is all just crappy stuff here.
Ang laki, oh. Dalawa sila. Parang same ng fish ni Lyra. Pero sobrang laki. Lagi ito yung kamay ko. Mas malaki pa sa kamay ko, eh. Ang gaganda ng mga tank nila. Nandyan, guys, yung mga pinagtitinginan nila mga snake. Tingnan mo yung isa. Bilis niya. Tatakot talaga ako sa kanya do, as in. Hala. Hala, babe. What's that? Ano ba yan? Ano yan, babe? Oh my gosh. Hello? Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. Hello? Dito, nasan? Ay, nandun siya, sa likod. Nandun yan. Sige!
All you need to do today, guys, is shoot the water into the target. That's why I feel the breeze up in there. First one to burst their balloon will win the race and also collect the prize. More races on it, more wins and even all you got to do is aim the pistol to the centre. When the water hits the target, it's going to fill and make the next come up the rope. First one to get to the top will win the race and also get the prize. That's why we've got the So we have a guaranteed winner on every race, and the more people that play, the bigger prize we win. Thank you. What are you doing? Alright guys, we got one special, got room for one more racer, got room for one more racer on number 20. We got one special over here guys, $6 to play, $6 to win. We have a guaranteed winner every race. Are we all ready to race? Alright guys, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, they're off for their race and they're chasing. They're climbing up higher and higher, they're getting bigger and bigger. Watch them go, watch them go.
Oh,
and our winner is lucky number 11. Congratulations, put your hands together. Give our winner a round of applause. Yay! Winner, 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 winner. Beautiful job. You can choose any prize you like. Any prize at all. Alright guys and girls, we're going to do it all over again.
The frog?
Jump in, jump on, have a race with this one.
Go the frog.
All you need to do here today, guys, is shoot the water at the centre. When they
How good's that, mate?
target, it's going to make your band come up the top.
That's unbelievable.
And
Look
jump
how
on,
massive it is.
have a race for this one. Now you got to win if you want to win it. You won't know to give it a go. And the more people that play, the bigger and better size prize we can give away here today, guys. Come over, guys and girls. Jump in and jump on. Have a go with this one.
Raz.
Guys, ako na talagang nanalo. Nanalo ako. Nanalo ako, babe. Can you believe I won?
I can. You always win. Always.
Grabe siya. First namin siya, napaka-skeptical ko pa kanina. Sabi ko, hindi ako mananalo dyan. Tapos sabi ni Dan, sige na, sige na. Sabi ko, sasali ako kung sasali ka din. Ayaw ni Dan. Anyway, papunta kami sa car. Ilalagay lang namin yung aming sobrang laking frog. Parang binaby mo yan, babe. Ay, nakakatuwa. That was so fun.
That was good.
Hindi ako tumingin kay Teddy kasi 'di ba? Magsushoot ka ng tubig dun sa target. Hindi ako tumingin kay Teddy. Shoot lang ako ng shoot. Tapos pagtingin ko kasi tapos na, wala nang tubig. Sabi ko, wala, naiwan yung Teddy ko dun. Ako pala nanalo. Nakakaloka. Pabalik na kami, guys. nakapag-toilet ako. Yung pinarkingan kasi namin sa office ni Dan, kasi malapit lang dito yung office niya. And na-drop na din namin si Froggy. Now, we will go back in. Meron kaming, what do you call this, babe? Yung bracelet. Na kapag lumabas ka, bibigay nila sa'yo para makapasok ka ulit. Mag-ano na kami, sasakay na kami ng ride. Yung parang upuan siya na ililipad-lipad ka ng upuan. Yun yung gagawin namin. Last time kasi ginawa namin yung sobrang scary. Sabi ni Dan, tanda na natin para dyan. So yung mga easy lang yung amin. Yan yung gagawin namin. Chair. $10 each. Thank you.
I'm over heights, actually.
You okay, babe?
I'm alright.
Ala, ikot na tayo. Oh my gosh.
I'm thinking, no more rides.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Oh my goodness, I don't like that one.
But now on, I'm sorry, but now on, I'm alright. I feel like I die every time. I can't enjoy the view. I'm scared.
Are you scared, babe?
A little bit.
Oh my gosh! Are you okay there?
That wasn't scary. That wasn't scary.
Natakot si Dan. You got scared. Bababa na kami, guys. Guys, punta tayo sa show bags. Sana open pa sila because it's late. What time is it? Mga...
Quarter past 8.
Okay. Okay pa pala. Let's check out everything, babe, okay? Ayan, yan yung mga show bags. Tapos may mga presyo siya. $25, $30. Hala, pineapple bag, babe. Tingnan mo. Gusto ko yan, guys. Pero tingin-tingin muna tayo. Ooh, Riri. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Are you scared?
Yeah, stuff like this always scares me. Dito kami sa horror house. Hoy! Hoy! Hello!
Get ready. Why is the scariness not?
Stop!
What's that?
They always get me. Laro tayo nito, guys.
Ready?
16. That's good. Oh, one of the monkeys? Oh, cool. Black one? Yeah.
Guys, nandito na kami sa car. Pauwi na kami.
We have a friend in the car.
We do.
We met someone new tonight.
Look at our friend.
He's just chilling. He's drunk. Say hello. Say hello. Hello, people. Hello. Go back there, Froggy.
Oh, no.
He's drunk.
I know. We're home. You get there, babe?
Really successful day today.
What's his name?
Ricky.
Okay.
This is Ricky.
Ricky. Meron kaming inside joke, guys, kaya grabe ako tumawa doon. Maka naman sabihin nyo, pinagtatawanan ko ang Ricky na pangalan. Nope, hindi po yun. Oh, he's drunk.
He's drunk.
Ricky, mate. I'll Instagram you, babe. It was a really fun night, as in sobra. I had so much fun. And I won some prizes. What are you doing?
Okay, he's missing stuff.
What do you mean? Bumili kami ng 3 show bags. Yung show bag na pinili ko is yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung Miss Coco. And then Dan also got a West Coast show bag for Zaki Boy. And an Ecedon one for Kuya TJ. Ito. Inano lang niya. Chinek niya kung kompleto ba. So yun, nag-check sa kay Zach. Na-check na niyo yung kay Kuya eh. So this one's complete. Kuyas?
I don't know. They got like a few different things.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna be exactly the same.
They got a hat.
He's got a hat.
Drink bottles.
The other one doesn't have a hat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think he's got the
1,
sticker.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's the same.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
It's all there.
Ay, ano pala yung last na nilaro namin kanina? Nanalo ako ito. Monkey. Kasi nagswerte ko talaga ngayon. Yung sa frog, ano kasi, kapag hindi kompleto yung sasali sa kanila, kasi meron silang 20 seats, kung hindi kompleto, yung premyo is yung mga maliliit lang na premyo, yung mga nasa baba. Kapag marami, like sabi ni Dan kanina, isa na lang yung kulang para makumpleto kami, malalaki yung prices. So yung nasalihan ko, kung 19 kami lahat. So yung prices is yung malalaki talaga yung nasa taas. Ako nanalo dun, nakakaloka. $6 yun, guys. $6. Tapos, ishoot mo lang yung tubig dun sa nila. Sa butas. Tapos, akit yung yung stuffed toy. Who's the lucky one?
You are my lad. Oh, I'm back.
Look! Kumain ako ng kanina? Potatoes. Potatoes. Marami siyang laman, ha? $30 to. Lahat. Wait sa. So, meron silang 3 kulay ng slip dress dun. Makakapili ka ng isa. So, I chose the pink color. Ganyan. Medyo mahaba siya sa akin. Pero okay lang yun. Magagawa natin yun ng paraan. Small, medium yung size niya. Ganyan yung kulay niya. Tapos, meron siyang belt. Which, tinry ko din kanina, and kasya naman siya sa akin. Nahihirapan kasi ako maghanap ng belt na maliit. And ito, kasya naman siya sa akin. Tinry ko siya kanina eh. Kasi iniisip ko kapag hindi siya kasya, hindi ko siya bibilhin. And gusto ko actually yung kulay ng belt niya. Yan, kasya naman siya sa waist. Yan, hindi siya like sobrang gold. Para siyang vintage looking. I like this one. I don't think it's genuine leather, but that's alright. Meron din silang 2 sunnies doon. Makakapili ka. Either yung isa or ito. And I chose this because it fits and it looks good. It's a bit trendy as well. Meron din sila either hat, yung black na hat, or scarf. Tinry ko yung hat, malaki sa akin, which, like, alam ko na malaki siya sa akin. So, I chose the scarf instead. So, kung bibilhin mo to isa-isa, this will cost you $195. Merong print yung yung scarf. Ano lang siya. Very light na print na ganyan. Yeah. Very thin scarf lang. That's what I got. Dan didn't get any. He said he was gonna get the SWERTE yung nuts. Kaya lang nung namimili na kami, sabi niya na actually I'm good. So hindi siya bumili ng nuts. Meron sanang pineapple na beach bag dun. Kaya lang yung kasama niya. Hindi ko naman bet. Ito at least like halos lahat magagamit ko. Yung belt gusto ko. Ano na yun? Guys, si Miss nag-gym.
Okay.
Miss, hi ka sa akong vlog.
Ha?
Alauna na daw sa ano niya. 1 AM na sa New Zealand, pero nag-gym pa din siya.
Of course, si Marlon Kenny, wala siya.
Si Marlon Dilet. Nawala.
Marlon.
Nawala. Si Mama na, ni-message man si Mama na ako. Ayan guys, ready na tayo matulog. I'm just watching Sissy's vlog. Ililive ko yung channel ni Miss sa description box, ha? Siya ay ang aking kapatid. Yung gamit ko sa lips ko, ito yung Vaseline na lip therapy. Ang cute-cute niya, ang liit-liit niya. Yun na yung vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video kung nagustuhan nyo, guys. Guys, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys bukas. Be good. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Bye. Mwah. Do you want to give them a kiss?
Mwah.
Wow!